Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, they are going to start drilling for oil in Jamaica. And Jamaica currently has an agreement with United Oil and Gas. And they did all the tests and surveys and they all came back positive for oil in Jamaica. Now for them to find the quantity of oil that's there, they have to start drilling wells. Now, this is where Jamaica needs to look at what Guyana did. Now, Guyana has oil. They are actually drilling for oil. They've found oil and they're literally selling oil on the world market. ExxonMobil is the company. It's a group of companies, but ExxonMobil is the largest shareholder and they are in charge. Now, the reason why Jamaica needs to look at the agreement with ExxonMobil and Guyana is because chances are ExxonMobil is a company that's going to be drilling in Jamaica. United Oil and Gas, they don't have the capital or the money, so to speak, to drill one well in Jamaica, much less 14 wells. So they're probably going to go with a company like ExxonMobil that is the largest oil company in the Caribbean region. But the oil deal between ExxonMobil and Guyana is one of the most talked about energy agreements in the Caribbean, and it offers big opportunities and serious warnings for countries like Jamaica. So in 2016, Guyana signed a production sharing agreement with ExxonMobil and its partners to develop the offshore Starbrook block where massive oil reserves were discovered. Now, the terms of the deal were Ghana would receive a 2% royalty on oil production and up to 75% of revenue would go to companies first to recover costs. And then the remaining profit is split 50-50 between Ghana and the companies. So based on this deal, Ghana is only getting 12.5% of the profit plus the 2% royalty. Now that when Jamaica goes to negotiate their deal, they cannot do something like this. This is very lopsided towards the drilling companies. Yes, there are costs associated with drilling, big costs, but to give up 75% to cover costs first is, as we said, Jamaica needs to look at this deal and would and negotiate a different deal. Many analysts and watchdog groups say many analysts and watchdog groups say the deal heavily favors ExxonMobil. Guyana's royalty of 2% is considered very low globally, and companies may take up to 75% of revenue before profit sharing. A report claimed Guyana could lose tens of billions of US dollars under the deal. So when Jamaica, even though United Oil and Gas holds the license, Jamaica still has to approve whoever is doing the drilling. So Jamaica does have some how would you say it now? Some leverage in the deal that's going to be negotiated. So guys, let us know what you think about Guyana's deal and what you think how Jamaica should structure their deal. 87.5% of the oil generated in Guyana goes to ExxonMobil. Only 12.5% goes to Guyana. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.